The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow till there's none. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a day away. The sun will come out tomorrow. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow,
At kahit gaano man kabilis ang mga pangyayari, isasayaw pa din kita ng mabagal. Ngayon, ikay akin, dito ka sa aking tabi. Because you're like a shooting star that suddenly appeared tonight.
I'd give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel
So, ang
me
nangyari, may parking po kami sa trabaho. Tapos, bago ko pumasok ng car, nakita ko may sticky notes.
What I did is more on a traditional note for shooting, I guess. In a way of suspense.
Na parang sabi niya, don't keep on smiling kasi meron nagpapasaya sa mga ngiti mo, gan lahat. Tapos hanggang sa araw-araw, nagdidikit na siya ng sticky notes sa kotse ko. Minsan may pagkain, gano'n, tapos may pag-gift. So, pa-mysterious type, gano'n.
Ang singsing na ito ay binibigay ko sa iyo bilang isang sagisag at pangako ng ating patuloy ang nananatiling pag-ibig.
Don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they know.
So yun, sobrang responsible, magaling magluto, sweet talaga. Hindi kanya parang pababayaan na mag-isa, ganun po.
I cannot explain on those sentences, but what I can say is literally, binigay siya ng Diyos sa akin. Siya yung hiniling ko para makasama ko habang.
Para sa clinic kong bridesmaid. Natingin na. The best na.
Kayo, umiti kayo. Best insan, CJ? The bunso?
At of course, pinaka-cutie kong bridesmaid and responsible and stunning bridesmaid, Faith.
Kind of cheesy to say, but she completed it. All through those years, struggled a lot, society, things like that. And then what I can say is, this is it. She is the one.
Siyempre, wala namang, ang relasyon naman, hindi naman puro kilig, diba? So, kailangan talaga, pag may mga problema, pag-uusapan, tapos pipiliin niyo pa rin yung isa't isa sa huli.
Hindi!
Wow! Thank you! You're welcome! Welcome! Sana nagustuhan niyo. Ganda.
I'm your past boyfriend, your present husband, and your future. Love, hindi ako magti-TikTok nang hindi ikaw ang kasama. I love you so much and waiting to create beautiful memories.
Inaasahan kong harapin ang bawat bagong araw kasama ka alam na palagi tayong magkakaroon ng isa't isa. You are my greatest love, my partner, and my best friend. I am deeply grateful for our shared love and promise to nurture it forever, forever yours. I love you, Kenneth Amor.
Thank you for showing the other Kenneth. I'm not perfect. I'm not the wealthiest man. I'm not the most handsome. Pero malakas ang handsome.
I will always choose you, regardless of life's difficulties. Your unconditional love has been a gift, and I am committed to loving you every day for the rest of our lives.
You